Hey everybody, we're here at the Concordia University building in downtown Montreal. We're on the 16th floor, which is the highest floor here. And we're going to take an elevator straight down, and I think these are, none of they're high-speed elevators, but they're pretty fast. I'll check it out here. Pretty decent rate of descent. Yeah, not bad. That was pretty fast. So from the 16th floor to the ground floor, about 40 seconds. Pretty decent elevators here, so continue taking some more elevator videos here in Montreal, and as always, more videos to come.